Welcome to Premium Hotels, your luxury hotel guide. Don't forget to follow the account for more hotel reviews. Today we will take a look at the Selectum Colours Bodrum, a stunning resort nestled in the picturesque coastal town of Bodrum, Turkey. This impressive hotel offers guests a luxurious and unforgettable holiday experience on the beautiful Turkish Aegean coast. Situated on a hillside overlooking the stunning Gumbet Bay, the Selectum Colours Bodrum boasts breathtaking views of the crystal-clear waters and the surrounding landscape. The resort features a total of 496 comfortable and elegantly appointed rooms, distributed between the main building and 43 traditional two-story bungalows. This unique layout allows guests to choose accommodations that best suit their preferences, whether they prefer the convenience of the main building or the charm of a more secluded bungalow. Each room is designed with comfort and style in mind, ensuring a relaxing stay for all visitors. One of the highlights of the Selectum Colours Bodrum is its prime location. Just 35 kilometers from the airport and a mere 4 kilometers from the vibrant Bodrum city center, guests can easily explore the rich history and culture of the region. The famous St. Peter's Castle, charming harbor, and bustling bazaars of Bodrum are all within easy reach, offering plenty of opportunities for sightseeing and shopping. The resort prides itself on its extensive ultra-all-inclusive concept, which caters to every need and desire of its guests. The main restaurant serves a wide variety of delicious dishes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, featuring both local Turkish specialties and international cuisines. For those seeking a more intimate dining experience, the resort offers 3 a la carte restaurants specializing in Turkish, Italian, and seafood cuisines. Throughout the day, guests can enjoy snacks, pastries, and refreshments at various outlets around the property. When it comes to relaxation and entertainment, the Selectum Colours Bodrum leaves no stone unturned. The resort boasts multiple swimming pools, including a sprawling outdoor pool complex and an exciting aquapark perfect for both adults and children. The private beach area, equipped with comfortable sun loungers and umbrellas, invites guests to bask in the warm Turkish sun and take refreshing dips in the Aegean Sea. By the way, if you are looking for the best price for this hotel, you can simply scan this QR code or open the link in the video description. This will take you directly to the cheapest offer we have found. The website is also known for its incredibly cheap all-inclusive package tours, which include hotel and flight. But let's move on now. For those seeking more active pursuits, the resort offers an impressive array of sports and leisure facilities. Guests can enjoy tennis, mini football, basketball, beach volleyball, and various water sports. The professional animation team organizes a range of activities throughout the day, from morning gymnastics and dance classes to evening shows and live music performances. Children are well catered for at the Selectum Colours Bodrum, with a dedicated mini club and teen lounge offering age-appropriate activities and entertainment. This allows parents to enjoy some well-deserved relaxation time, knowing their little ones are in good hands. The resort spa and wellness center provides a tranquil oasis for those looking to unwind and rejuvenate. Featuring a traditional Turkish hammam, sauna, and a variety of massage and beauty treatments, it's the perfect place to pamper oneself after a day of sun and sea. As the sun sets, the Selectum Colours Bodrum comes alive with evening entertainment. Guests can enjoy themed nights, live shows, and music at one of the resort's 7 bars, each offering a unique atmosphere and an extensive selection of local and international beverages. The attentive and multilingual staff at the Selectum Colours Bodrum are committed to ensuring every guest has a memorable stay. From the moment of arrival to departure, visitors are treated with warmth and professionalism, embodying the renowned Turkish hospitality. Whether you're a couple seeking a romantic getaway, a family looking for a fun-filled vacation, or a group of friends in search of sun and relaxation, the Selectum Colours Bodrum offers something for everyone. With its stunning location, comprehensive facilities, and commitment to guest satisfaction, this resort promises an unforgettable holiday experience on the beautiful Turkish Aegean coast. From the moment you arrive, you'll be swept away by the colors, flavors, and warmth of this enchanting destination, creating memories that will last a lifetime.